If your videos stop getting views after the first 24 hours, whatever you do, don't delete them, because there's actually a really easy system to resolve this issue. So in this video I will explain the two methods you can use to boost your views after the first 24 hours. So here goes method number 1: indie screens. Now you might be wondering, how on earth could indie screens help you get views on a new video? Well, by now I have told you many times that you need to be including indie screens on every video you post. And these are indie screens here. They are basically a little pop-up that appears when a viewer reaches the end of your video, and YouTube will then suggest new videos for them to click onto and watch. Now, if you find yourself in a position where you must recent videos stop getting views after 24 hours, what you are going to need to do is to go back into all of your old videos and update the end screen in a very specific way, which I am going to show you now. So if I go into one of my old videos, let's say zero view glitch video, and go down here to enter the click on in screen edit, click on the big box here, which is the video, and from now on you are going to want to change this from best to viewer to most recent upload. And I want you to do this for all the in screens on every single video you have on your channel. Now what this means is that every single time a viewer watches one of your old videos, when they get to the end of that video, they are now to be shown your new video instead. And this will massively increase your chances getting click on and watch your new video. It essentially drives warm already engaged traffic, and it is a great little way of getting that extra little boost on your new video. Okay, then so method number 2: re-optimizing your description. You should know by now that your description offers an incredible opportunity to include some optimization to help the algorithm in understanding what your video is about and who it should be placed in front of. And I am going to make the assumption that if you are not getting any views, maybe you optimize your description properly. So the key here is that the first two sentences of description need to be as keyword heavy and targeted as possible. Failing to do this will mean you are missing out on a tons of views. So a quick and easy fix here is to just use something like ChatGPT. Now I personally use ChatGPT for all my descriptions, and it works an absolute treat for me. So I would suggest you to do this as well. So go ahead and delete your current description, because we are going to renew it using extract formula I use on ChatGPT. Here is the standard prompt I use for every description I write on my videos. Now if you want to copy it, please free to pause the video and write it down. But I am going to read out to you now. I have a YouTube channel in the YouTube Growth Niche where I help some new YouTubers for their new channels.